Welcome back to this episode of Home Built Workshop. This video, I got an easy shop organization project. Most of us have impact drivers and cordless drills and batteries and chargers, and for me they always seem to be all over the place. So today I'm going to build a storage shelf to keep them all together. I'm going to use a piece of melamine that I've had sitting around for a while. I think it'll work really good. I've already cleared off a space on the wall behind me where the shelf is going to fit real nice. I'll start by squaring up one edge with a circular saw. And then I'll lay out my pieces on the wood. And make those cuts. I've got all the pieces for the box cut to size. While I was cutting that, my camera battery died and I didn't notice it. So you're not going to be able to see that part, but I didn't really do anything special. I just measured, marked, and cut it with the circular saw. I'm going to cut some slots in here that the drills can sit in and just hang by. First I need to lay out where I'm going to make the cuts. Then I'll drill a hole with a forstner bit. I'm cutting out the waste with my scroll saw. I use my scroll saw for a lot of stuff around the shop. This band clamp will help hold this box together while I drill and screw it. Lastly, I'll glue and screw a piece of hardboard to the back. That'll give it some rigidity and also give me a place to screw this thing to the wall. Now I can let the glue dry and get it hung up on the wall. Well, there's our completed cabinet. It's perfect. It's a simple project, requires minimal tools, although you might want to use a circular saw that's just a little bit better than mine. But it came together just fine, holds my drills, gets them all together in one place, up off the bench. Couldn't be happier. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this episode of Home Built Workshop.